I'm going to throw this one out there. We had yesterday, obviously, the big move before the opening yesterday was caused by Bank of America, as Warren Buffett. It couldn't have been more timely. Dr. J and I were talking yesterday about Bank of America and whether they had enough capital. And if you look at kind of the balance sheet that they throw out at people, that's sort of published, that's on my track data, and if you go to Yahoo or any other place you can find it, pretty much shows that they have roughly $2.2 trillion in assets, which is like a big number, and their equity is around $222 billion. Now you don't really know what all that is, but that's kind of the balance sheet you get. All right, now people were rumored that they were in trouble, and clearly if 5 to 6% of the assets aren't so hot, it pretty much runs through a lot of those that equity pretty quick. Well, then people came out and said they don't need any more money, they don't need blah blah blah. Well, then interestingly enough, Warren Buffett comes up yesterday with a $5 billion investment. All right, now you would think that if Bob Cerrone says I got plenty of money, I'm going out to have a few beers, I got $222 in my pocket, and then the next thing you do is see him getting a loan for $5, you sort of have to wonder. I mean, I don't see how. I mean, other than it was some kind of an affirmation that Warren's guys went through all the books, if they opened them all up to him, if they could understand them, and somehow pronounced this thing, good on arrival instead of dead on arrival. I'm going to mystified to understand the whole thing. The bottom line is he got a 6% preferred stock note, and he got a whole bunch of stock options at 7.18, which they're now already over. So it was like a $500 million day for the guy if he could off his stock stuff right now, which he can't. But it seems kind of odd to me that people thought that was such a positive thing, and why they would even do that. It seems like such a small amount of money, doesn't it, Bob?
For him, it's a small amount of money. He supposedly had the revelation in the bathtub. How about that?
I don't even want to go there with that.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Is there a rubber ducky?
Yeah, something. He was squeezing something.
I don't want to get personal on him. But when was the last time any guy you knew took a bath? I haven't taken a bath since my mother gave me one at age 2, for God's sake. The minute I could walk in the shower, it was like the last one.
Wait a second. After you finish those softball games and you're running around the bases going head first, like I know you probably do, in the second,
you don't
stretch
slide
that single into the double and you're a little sore, you don't hop into the tub after that?
No. Maybe if there was a hot tub at a club, maybe, but no. I mean,
I haven't taken a bath in...
Plus, I haven't slid since 40. You can't slide after 40, Bob.
Well,
anyway, we're not
true.
But I'm saying it seems like kind of an odd transaction, doesn't it? If it should, if they really had $222 million in good capital, what do they have to even go out and worry about another 5 for? Or was it the vote of confidence? It must have been.
Well, the stock certainly reacted favorably, didn't it?
Well, it was up to 8, but now it's 760 again.
Yeah.
It's right where it was 2 weeks ago. So it's not like it's 15.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, so keep an eye on that one. I'm almost tempted to sneak a put spread on in there. I don't know. I hate to do that with a stock that low, but I'm wondering. The whole choreography to me seemed a little odd. Like calling attention to it. If there wasn't a problem, why they would have to do that, I have no idea.